Select the text tool. The font I'm using is Verdana Bold, the size 700. The style is filled. And the color, I'm going to use this color here. Here's the HTML notation, FF7001, and then press OK. And now left click, and now type your letter. Select the alignment tool, left click on the text layer. Make sure the align is related to the image. And now let's align it horizontally and then vertically. And now go to filter, light and shadow, and then drop shadow. So for the color, I'm going to select the black color. I'm going to increase a little bit the opacity. I'm going to reduce the X and Y. So as you can see here, chan icon here is linked. So if I'm going to reduce one, it will reduce both the X and Y. So I'm going to leave it, I think, here to around 10. And then press OK. And now go to filter, map, and then select recursive transform. Increase the number of iterations to 20. The first iteration is 0. And now I'm just going to select this handle here and then just move it up. So here like this. And now press enter. And now you can still, for example, edit the drop shadow to reduce it. So if I left click here on the FX icon here, select the drop shadow and then click on edit. And now let's say, for example, I'm going to reduce the opacity. So here like this. And now press OK. And now since it is a text layer, I can edit the text inside. So to select the text tool, left click, Control A to select all text. And now let's say I want to type another letter. So for example, the A. So here it is. Just make sure to select all the letter. So the K. Can even, for example, type a word or sentence. You can also change the size or the font. So for example, for the size, I will go with 500, press enter. And now here, select all text. I'm going to type Gimp. Select the move tool. So here the letter looks much better. So I'm going to select the text tool, left click, Control A. Let's go back to the F letter. And then here, I'm going to change it to 900. Select the alignment tool, left click, make sure align related to the image. And now let's align it horizontally and then vertically. So I'm just going to select the move tool, left click, and now I'm just going to hold the shift key and then move it down to move it up. Hold the control key, and then move it down here to move it in a straight line. So I forgot to mention that you can also edit the color or the font family. So for example, if I click on the FX icon here, so here are the two layer effects, the recursive transform and drop shadow. So I'm going to duplicate this text layer, so click on this icon. So here it is, select the move tool. So I'm going to select the bottom text layer, I'm going to move it to the left. Select the top text layer, I'm going to move it to the right. And now select the text tool, left click, Control A to select all text. So let's say, for example, I want to change the color. So just left click here to change the text color. So let's say I'm going to change it to blue. So this one here, press OK. So for the font size, you can also, so for example, 700. And for the font family, let's say I'm going to go with Poppins Bold. So here it is. So let's change it back to 900 for this size. And now let's select the move tool.